Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to print. Start by opening the PDF and calling the print dialog with Control or CMD+P. Make sure the HP printer appears as the selected device and the correct paper size and tray are set. Once selected, click Printer Properties or Preferences. This moves you into the printer driver where duplex options live. Do this now so you can choose two-sided printing without surprises. Also confirm orientation, portrait versus landscape, because that affects how the pages flip and align. Once inside Properties, pick two-sided or duplex printing and then decide long edge binding for books or short edge binding for calendars. This determines the flip direction. Make other choices now: specific page ranges, draft versus high quality, color versus black and white, and scaling to fit. If your HP lacks automatic duplexing, switch to manual duplex. Print odd pages first, then follow the dialog to reload and print even pages. Make sure the paper reinsert direction matches the instructions, so pages print. Click Print to send the job. Watch the printer display for prompts if you chose manual duplex. Once pages come out, fan or align them and verify sequential order and correct orientation. Staple or bind as needed. To save time later, create a preset with these duplex settings. If something goes wrong, like blank backs or reversed pages, make sure you selected duplex in the HP driver. That paper was reloaded correctly for manual duplex, and update the printer driver or firmware to fix known issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.